Hi guys, I just wanted to show you my Dahl recipe. You can use it over chicken, over rice, as a soup. So let's get started. So here we have 2 cups of split peas and 4.5 cups of water. I just added a teaspoon of salt, shallot, onions, and garlic. And here's the red pepper. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. One teaspoon basil. So here I've added a little bit of clove, 1 teaspoon of butter, just to smooth it out. So this thing here is so convenient. I use this to dice up my garlic and shallot. I absolutely love it. So guys, at this point, you just want to let it boil for about 15 minutes before adding your chicken. Come on this side. Oh, okay. Ready. I don't want it to pop on you. Oh. This chicken has been soaked in apple cider vinegar and kosher salt. I have a video on that if you would like to check it out. You're going to want to cover the chicken, so add about 2 more cups of water. This is going to be very good. I can smell the aromas. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes and I'm stirring, making sure the lentils are not at the bottom of the pot. So here I'm adding ground cumin. I like to do that 30 minutes before it's done. Ooh, it smells so good. Do you see how it's thickening? Beautiful. I love, love, love this recipe. Total cooking time, 1 hour.